Today is a special day. I'll tell you why. Because I received the Ooni KARU 16 and now we proceed with the unboxing and cooking. Very heavy. My name is Mattia and I'm one of the Ooni Ambassadors. What a beast! Oh. But before we start with the unboxing, let's build the table first. Something that I want to show you is what I also received. It's a turning peel to turn the pizza in the oven, pizza peel, scoop it in, and a serving board. And with this table, you can just put everything here, nice and tidy, ready for the service. Okay, now it's time to unpack the oven finally. Yes! And finally the job is done. Now let's have a look at this beautiful oven. Wow, okay. Let's open the door first. As we can see, there's a big stove in there with a gas burner at the end. The beauty of this oven is it can be used both gas and wood. So for now I'll test it with the gas burner and then later on I'll try with the wood as well. Look how beautiful this 3 sets is. So I'll look at the back. So this is the gas burner. Install the back of the oven. You connect the gas through here. And the job's done. And also you need to make sure that this thing is open here. Let's have a look on the inside. Okay. So through here you can open it and close and open, okay? Leave it open. This little door is when you have the wood set up, you keep adding wood here in the little tray and close the door, okay? So now let's turn it on. So let's get the gas going first, a few seconds, and then we press the button. 3, 2, 1. Fire! Woo! This is sexy. Okay. Let's pay attention to this. It tells us the degrees in the real time. Now the next step is to make some dough. Let's go. It's now time for a Roman base, so we don't keep the air in the crust. And we'll be making a mushroom pizza with a truffle oil, okay? Very nice and crispy. For the Roman pizza, we want a cooking a little bit lower, not as hot, because we want to get the base to be crunchy. Okay. For pizza napoletana, we go 430, 450, but for Roman pizza, a little bit lower, around 380-ish. Turn it. First turn always 180 degrees, okay? So whatever was next to the flame, we'll bring it here, opposite side. And we'll let the other side cook, and then we'll cook 90 degrees, and then 180, okay? I'll show you the cooking. So now we turn it 90 degrees. Lower the flame a little bit. And then 180 degrees because it's the last side uncooked. Beautiful cooking underneath. Let's cook it longer to make sure it's nice and colored all the way around. Bottom is perfect. This kind of pizza goes perfectly with a Roman base, which is mushrooms, parmesan, thyme, a bit of garlic, and top quality truffle oil on top at the end. Okay, I think the pizza is done. That's a Roman pizza, funghi. Let's listen to the crunch. Again, let's have a look at the cooking underneath. And a good quality of the Roman pizza, the one that I make, doesn't drip. Look, that's what you want. And it's now time to take on a real challenge. Let's try to cook a 14-inch pizza. It's a focaccia with mushrooms. Let's see how we go. When we are dealing with these big pizzas, I always recommend to use the big peel. It will make your life easier. So this is the way cooked, very good. It's finally now time for me to enjoy this beautiful pizza. Thin, crispy, cooked very well. The best.